Hi guys, and welcome to Aspie Maths. In this video I'm going to show you how to factorise quadratic expressions like the one on your screen. Let's get started. You need to be able to factorise questions like these. Press pause, have a go at factorising them both, and then press play again when you're ready to see the solutions. For the first question, the highest common factor is 2x. So I'm going to divide both terms by 2x to see what would be left inside the bracket. 2x squared divided by 2x is x, and 8x divided by 2x is 4. For question B, the highest common factor here is negative 3x, so I divide each term by negative 3x. Negative 3x squared divided by negative 3x is x, and careful for the sign here, positive 9x divided by negative 3x is negative 3. There are 4 kinds of factorising, and in this video I'm going to show you how to factorise harder quadratics. Let's look at the first question. Factorise 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. We'll start by multiplying together the 2 and the 3 to give us 6. We are now looking for two numbers that multiply to give 6, but when I add them I need to get 7. That will be 6 and 1. 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 plus 1 gives us 7. I'm now going to rewrite my expression, starting with 2x squared and ending with 3x. Only thing that's going to change is the middle part. This plus 7x will now be replaced with a 6x and a 1x. I'm then going to divide my expression in 2 halves, and I'm going to factorise each half individually, starting with the left hand side. The highest common factor here would be 2x, and I would be left with x plus 3 inside the bracket. The two terms on the right hand side of my expression has a highest common factor of 1. Nothing else divides into both without a remainder, and anything divided by 1 stays the same. So inside the bracket I write x plus 3. You should now see that x plus 3 appears both sides, and I'm going to take this out as a common factor. X plus 3. The second bracket will contain the leftovers, and in this case the leftovers would be 2x and plus 1. Let's factorise now 3x squared plus x minus 2. Press pause and have a go if you're confident. If not, keep watching. We multiply the 3 and the negative 2 to give negative 6. We are looking for two numbers that multiply to give negative 6, but when I add them together I need to get positive 1. Multiply to give negative 6, add to give positive 1. Well, that would be positive 3 and negative 2. If I add those two numbers together I get 1. If I times them together I get negative 6. Now I rewrite my expression, 3x squared and minus 2, and remember I replace the positive 1x with a positive 3x and a negative 2x. Next I divide my expression in 2 halves and I factorise each half. Left hand side will factorise to give me 3x bracket x plus 1. Now the right hand side has a highest common factor of minus 2. Be careful when you divide. Minus 2x divided by minus 2 is x, and minus 2 divided by minus 2 is plus 1. I have my common bracket, so my solution starts with x plus 1, and the second bracket gets the leftovers, 3x minus 2. Last question. As before, press pause and then press play when you're ready. Step 1, we multiply to get negative 20, and I'm looking for two numbers that add to give minus 19 or negative 19, and that would be negative 20 and positive 1. So now I rewrite my expression 4x squared and negative 5. And the middle part, the minus 19x, will be replaced with a negative 20x and a positive x. I will then divide my expression in two halves and factorise each half. The left-hand side factorises to give me 4x bracket x minus 5. And on the right-hand side, I have to take out a plus and a 1. This is the highest common factor of positive x and negative 5. Inside the bracket, x minus 5. And so now the bracket that's common to both will be the first part of my answer. So x minus 5, and the leftovers in the second bracket, 4x plus 1. I hope this has helped to make this a little bit easier for you. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something today, please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram.